Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Hello Kitty snowman. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top right and let's draw the bow. Let's start with a circle. Then from the top left, let's curve it up, down, and back in. And the same thing on the right side. Now inside, let's add a curve in the center on both sides. And that's it for the bow. Now let's start drawing the shape of the head. On top of the bow here, let's draw two curves up to a point for the ears. Then on the left, let's draw a curve over for the top of the head, and then the other ear in the same way. Now from the bottom, let's step up and let's draw a curve down and in for the sides of the head. And the same thing on the right under the bow. Now before we finish off the bottom of the head, let's move in and draw the face. Inside, let's draw two ovals for the eyes. And then color both of these in black. Next, in the center, let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. Now let's hop to the sides and let's add three curves on both sides for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Now let's move down and add the scarf. On the bottom right, let's leave a gap and let's draw two bumps. Then from both ends, let's bring it down. And then close off the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw some long curves all the way across. Now let's draw the other end of the scarf on the right. From the top, let's draw a small curve over, and then curve it down. Now hop to the left and let's draw another small line down, and then close off the bottom. And again, let's add some long curves underneath. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's finish drawing the bottom of the head. From both sides, let's curve it in towards the scarf. Now let's hop underneath on the right side and let's draw two curves down and in. And the same thing on the left. Now let's continue that bottom line over to the right. And that's it for the scarf. Now let's move down and draw the hands. Let's start on the right side of the scarf here and let's draw a small angled line, and then two angles up and out. And let's do the same thing on the left side. Now across the ends, let's draw a long curve. Now for the mittens, from the top, let's draw a curve up and back down. And then a larger curve up and back down to close off each mitten. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve across the bottom. And then add some striped lines inside. And that's it for the hands. Now let's move down and finish drawing the bottom part of the body. Underneath both sides of the scarf, let's draw a small curve down to the arms. And then let's continue it underneath and curve it in. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Lastly, inside, let's draw 3 circles down the center. And that's it for this Hello Kitty snowman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!